Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Enable family sharing and create the child Apple ID because you need parental control authority. Once done, turn on screen time on the child iPhone and set a 4-digit passcode you will remember but they will not. Then open Roblox and note the account name and age settings. This matters because Roblox applies age-based defaults. Make sure both devices are online so family sharing and screen time sync immediately. Now configure specifics. In screen time, go to App Limits and add Roblox, selecting daily limits and separate weekend rules. This enforces playtime. Then use content and privacy restrictions to block in-app purchases and require a password for any purchases, because Roblox has Robux buys. Also disable web browsing or limit allowed sites if you want stricter chat filters. Finally, open the Roblox account and toggle off voice chat, limit adding friends, and set chat filtering according to the child's age. To finish, test everything. Sign into the child iPhone and run Roblox to confirm app limits hit at the right time and restricted features are blocked. This proves your rules work. If something is too strict or too loose, adjust screen time schedules, communication limits, or the Roblox privacy toggles until it fits your rules and routines. If syncing or restrictions fail, restart both devices, sign out and back into family sharing, or reset the screen time passcode as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.